Hello family, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angela. Here on this channel, I create beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, in particular for the woman over 40. Now today's video is all about styling, but styling made easier based on some of the stuff I've seen on my channel. So if you've been watching me on YouTube or on Instagram or TikTok or Pinterest, I'm on all of them, then you've noticed I've been showing a lot of different outfits here lately. I have an assistant now who's helping me with that, thank God. But I do a lot of reviewing my analytics, like all content creators. We do that because we want to know, is what I'm doing working? Do the people like it, the majority? It doesn't have to be everybody, because everybody is not gonna like everything, but what are the majority of the comments saying? And I saw so many very positive and enlightening comments on those videos, and also on Facebook. And so I did a review of the outfits and stuff to see what is it about the last 2 months, what was common in the outfits and the comment in the comments. And I looked at all the outfits and I came up with 3 similar things when it came to the clothes that I was wearing that you all loved so much. So the 3 things that I came up with were: 1, most of the outfits had 2 or less colors. Secondly, most of the outfits had 3 or less pieces. And lastly, several of the outfits were coordinated sets. And so I want to talk about those 3 things today, and I want to talk about the benefits of doing each one of those when it comes to dressing from your wardrobe. Now the caveat is, when you're shopping, you have to be very intentional. Really try your best, if at all possible, to buy the highest quality pieces that your budget can allow. And that way, when you're creating these looks using these 3 techniques, they're gonna look nice. So if you're buying things that are made on repeat again and again and again, and you go to a store where they've made 2,000 of those shirts, the quality of that shirt is not gonna be the same as if you go to a store and they might have made 200 of those items. So we have to start with great quality items before we can do anything. And sometimes our budget doesn't allow. So, you go to the thrift store, you get your quality pieces there, and the more money you make, then you put better quality pieces in your wardrobe. But that is the one caveat. So today I'm gonna talk about those 3 things and how and why those things really work when it comes to getting dressed every day. So if you like to hear all about the 3 tips that I have for creating beautiful looks that are gonna make you feel great, that are gonna get you all the compliments in the world, then stay tuned now. Let's get started. So the first tip that I was talking about, and the benefit of that tip, is creating looks with 2 or less colors. When you create a look with 2 or less colors, it gives a more harmonious look. The outfits look very intentional. They also look very sophisticated, which gives you a very pleasing and comfortable, simplistic, not overwhelming feel to your outfit. Also, when you have 2 or less colors, it really simplifies you getting dressed. You don't have to think a lot about what I am going to wear. I have this cream top, I have these camel pants, that's what I have, or vice versa. I'm gonna put these looks together. Even if you have multiple pieces with those same 2 colors, it still makes it a lot simpler and a lot easier to get dressed. You may have 3 or 4 cream or tan tops, or 3 or 4 cream or tan bottoms, and you may have 6 or 7 pieces, but those 6 or 7 pieces are gonna create at least 10 to 12 outfits very easily, and you're not gonna really have to think about it much. You have this color and this color, that's it. It makes it very easy and more simple to get dressed. And the next thing that 2 or less colors does, it really highlights patterns and textures in clothing, especially when we have cold weather. I feel like cold weather gives you a great opportunity to play with a lot of texture in your clothing. We have fleece, we have furs, we have boucle, we have leather, we have suede, we have all the things. In the summer, we have cotton and linen and chiffon as well. But the winter season, everything just looks like you really want to touch it. It looks more comfortable. It looks more comfy and cozy, and the textures really stand out versus the textures in the hotter weather. That's just in my opinion. The next benefit of having 2 or less colors is you can choose your colors to represent how you're feeling today. Say if I want to choose red and maybe a soft pink, or red and white, or red and black. Those color combinations are bold. If I'm going to a business meeting, I may wear a red suit with maybe some pink accents or some black accents, but I'm able to create a mood or feeling based on that one single or 2 color combination. If I want to create a fun, I'm happy, the sun is shining, everything is bright and flirty, I may wear yellow. I may wear yellow, and it's just gonna really signify that I'm happy, and it's gonna actually make me feel happy once I put the color on. And I can pair that yellow with a soft cream or white. Those colors look very good together, but it just gives me the opportunity to set the mood for myself. Lastly, the benefit of having 2 or less colors in your outfit, or if you're just a very, very neutral person and you're just really gonna pare your wardrobe down to 2 colors, I don't know how you do it. My hat's off to you. Couldn't do it myself, but I understand. If you happen to do that, or if you create a capsule wardrobe with 2 or less colors, now you're creating looks so much more easily. Pieces are readily available. You're going out shopping. It simplifies your shopping because I only want to choose these 2 colors to add to this capsule wardrobe. So it's going to really diminish the overwhelming feeling of, oh, I have to go find something to wear. Also, it's giving you a more versatile wardrobe, versatility in the easiness of putting your outfits together. The next thing that I identified when I was doing my analytics and looking at the outfits I was wearing is that most of the outfits had 3 or less pieces. Now, the benefit of creating looks with 3 or less pieces is it really reduces decision fatigue. You're not stressed so much about, I need to go find a belt or the pants and a scarf and the top and the jacket or a blazer. I have 3 pieces. I have maybe my belt, or I have a scarf that I'm gonna wear as a belt. I have my slacks and I have my top. Now if you're really sticking to 2 or less colors, that's gonna make it even easier, but you have 3 or less pieces. And I really like that, especially if you have, say, a cardigan and a matching vest that goes under the cardigan, and then you have a pair of slacks. It's gonna make your life so much easier in the mornings when you're trying to get dressed. The next benefit of having 3 or less pieces, it really puts you on the road to defining your personal style. When you see older women and you see, for instance, Anna Wintour. Anna Wintour is always gonna have a beautiful, bold necklace. Most of the time they're close to her neck. She's known for that haircut. She's known for her sunglasses. She's known for a nice, beautiful necklace, most of the time, again, it's close to her neck. Sometimes she has something hanging, but most of the time it's up in this nice and chunky, and an outstanding dress. I've seen her in pants, but an outstanding dress or a beautiful, beautiful coat that serves as the outfit. So when you pare down your pieces to 3 or less pieces, it really guides you into what ends up being your personal style. The last thing that I noticed about a lot of the outfits, and I didn't even realize because I mix and match a lot, is that I had a ton of coordinated sets. Now, the very first benefit of a coordinated set is it's not a one and done, but it's a done nonetheless. Even if it's 2 pieces, even if it's 4 pieces, say if you have a 3-piece suit and maybe a matching belt, it's done. The outfit is done. You don't have to think about how I'm gonna put this together. They came together and it just looks so sophisticated. It looks so elegant. Every outfit that I put together that was a coordinated set looked amazing. And I got so many positive comments about it that just warmed my heart, but it also stuck in my head. It was like, okay, this is easy dressing and the pieces look beautiful. I might have to keep doing this. And then again, now we will keep the extra stuff. You know, you will see me with an outfit on with 5 different colors and 5 different pieces, but a 2-piece set or a set with 3 pieces and all 3 pieces match from the same fabric, they're meant to be together, outstanding. Easiest dressing you can get other than a one and done, which is a dress. The second benefit of purchasing coordinated sets is it gives you a lot of creativity. It gives you a lot of ways to maximize your wardrobe, because like in some of my videos, you saw me with the top that matched the shorts, but I would change the shorts or change the top. Now, instead of having just one outfit, I can create a minimum of 4 different looks with these pieces. So it really pushes your creativity and also maximizes your wardrobe. Another benefit of having coordinated sets is you can easily transform a coordinated set from say a day look a day look to a night look, or from a very casual outfit to a very dressy outfit, or a date night outfit, or even it's time for me to go to church outfit, by just changing up the shoes, changing up the accessories, or adding maybe like one additional piece. I could take something like a nice pair of slacks that has a vest that goes to it, a sleeveless vest, and I can just add a scarf to that around my shoulders. It's gonna cover up my shoulders. Or I can add a lot of necklaces onto it. It's gonna really elevate the look. So I can take that, say from I'm going to meet with my grandson's teacher to, I'm going to date night with my husband. Or I can take a nice, beautiful summer short coordinated set, and instead of having on my sandals and a cute little crossbody purse, I can take the sandals off, put on some beautiful strappy heels, and maybe a beautiful hat, some sunglasses, or no hat, and lots of layered jewelry, and really elevate that look to a look that I would wear to, say, a bridal brunch or a date night with my husband. I love the versatility of those coordinated sets where you can just move them from one occasion to another. One of the best benefits of having coordinated sets, especially if you're a traveler, is you don't have to pack a lot. If you pack 3 coordinated sets, you have enough outfits to wear for at least 5 or 6 days. Even if you get something on, say one of the shirts, you can wash it out in the sink. But you have enough outfits just with those 3 coordinated sets. The first pair of shorts can be worn with its matching top, and then on day 2, you can wear that short with the matching top to the second outfit. On day 3, you can wear the pair of shorts with the matching top to the third outfit, and vice versa. So the second outfit on day 4, you can wear those shorts with the first outfit's top. Then on day 5, the top that it came with. Day 6 on the third outfit top. So you have a lot of play when it comes to coordinating sets, and that makes it so much easier to pack. If you struggle with packing, if you're an overpacker, stepping on my own toes here, I'm an overpacker. I do it every time. Even when I plan and pack early, I always overpack. I think it's a fear of, I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Well, that's it, family. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment letting me know which one of the tips that you might be using in the future or which one that you like best. Now, thank you so much for joining me. I really, really appreciate it, and I hope you have the most amazing day. Bye-bye.